All right, here it is. The laptop has returned. It says it's been repaired. No cost, because it had the damage protection on it, even though I didn't buy it myself. I bought this laptop used, and they still fixed it. So let's check it out. There's the receipt. It says replaced parts, raw panel. Let's see it. Raw panel. Thank you for choosing HP to repair this product. Reflash BIOS, replaced part, performed extensive tensing. Yes. Thank you, HP. Let's try it out. Never even used this laptop. It was just had a broken screen when I bought it. And there it is. Sweet. Perfect. So I would say that the HP protection is probably worth it. I think it was like $100 extra when you bought this new for 2 years. And all shipping included. They didn't ask for a credit card up front. They just fixed it. Cool. Thanks for watching.